Alright, we're at Battle Hall at UT Austin, in Austin, Texas, in the Stacks. And look who we got today.
Hello.
Who is this?
I'm Nick.
I'm Kat.
What are we going to be doing?
We're gonna ride this elevator.
I think that's the
Yeah.
That is the elevator.
We're not entirely sure.
Well, you're going to see what it is. Listen to the relays. You ready?
Should we open the door?
No. It's the elevator's not here yet. This is the gated elevator at Battle Hall.
Oh wow.
Look at this. This is a 4K handycam take on this beauty. What is this? Is this your first gated elevator, guys?
Yeah, this is fancy.
Oh, I have a phone in here too.
Yep.
Oh, is this in case we get stuck?
Alright, go ahead and send it down to 1.
One?
Press 1. That one.
Oh wait, no, public floors are only 5 through 6. Ah!
Yeah, we're not getting off.
Oh.
We're not getting off, just to tell you.
I was like, we're about to get in trouble.
Whoa.
This is so nice.
What do you guys think of this?
This is nice. Yeah, because you never actually get to see like the elevator. Oh my god, it stops.
Yeah, it does that. This is a single speed top driven traction, and it does that. It's common in the 50s.
Oh.
Send it up to 7?
7?
Yeah, that one.
Whoa.
This is like, you ever been to Disney, the Tower of Terror?
It's gonna take us up and then.
Yeah.
This is nice.
This thing does make a big stop, so be prepared.
Yeah, it does. It really like jerks.
That caught me off guard.
Yeah.
Get ready, and 3, 2, 1.
What is here?
It's another version of the library, but we're only allowed on 5 and 6.
We're not getting off on any other floors, I'll tell you that.
Okay. What button do I press now?
Take it down to 1.
1? Alright. This is actually really
I'm gonna
relaxing.
get a cab here. Watch out, please. This is a nice elevator. We got Catherine and Nick. What do you guys think about this?
This is really nice.
It's something.
We'll take it for one more ride, and we'll end up down at the floor we came on. Now, going up, we be quiet, listen to the motor, shall we? You guys ready?
Yeah.
How about this? We'll go down to one more time just to hear that motor, and then we'll end it back to where we started. How's that?
Yeah, sure. Sounds good.
All right, now don't press the button yet. Let me shut this first, just so I can, because.
I think it shuts automatically.
Yeah, I know. I just want to hear the motor starting up. Who wants to send it down to 1 this time?
Okay.
Wow. Maybe I will.
All right, back up to 5 and went to there. Are you two having fun on this beauty?
Yeah, it's like actually a lot more fun than I thought riding an elevator would be. 'Cause it's like
You first got scared, and then you got used to it after all.
Yeah.
You want to say hi to Andrew?
Hi, Andrew.
Anything you got to say to him?
I don't know. I like your videos.
What about you, Catherine? Anything you want to say, Andrew?
I appreciate your fan of elevators now.
All right, let's get one last view of these fixtures.
Oh.
And here's Catherine and Nick coming out of the elevator.
This is so cool.
And with that being said, what do you say now? You want to sign off?
All right. Bye.
Bye.